Okay, so I'm going to show you, Maddie, how to use the website here. Essentially, what's going to happen is once you're logged in, you can just go back to the home page, and you'll see that at the top now we have an extra bar of content up here. So what happens is once you're logged in, you're going to be able to see that there's different areas you can click either edit or configure, and you'll see that there's different areas to edit the content. So, for example, if you wanted to change this information right here, I would click the edit button, and a new window is going to pop up here. Quit out of Skype. In this window here, I can change the title. I can remove this image by clicking the remove button, and then I can add a new one by clicking here to choose upload a new image. I can also change any text here. The key is going to be that you don't copy and paste text in from another platform like Microsoft Word or something. You have to just go in and start editing the text like from directly within here. And you can just start typing away in here. And when you want to, when you're finished, you can remove the other text, just start highlighting it and deleting it. If you're typing and you want to hit a return, like a space, hitting enter actually gives you two spaces, so line 1, line 2, that's just hitting enter. If you want to just drop to line 3 and then drop one line, you just have to hit shift and then enter. So it's shift plus enter, and that gives you a new space like that. So when you're done making all these changes, you can scroll down to the bottom and click Save. But I don't want to save any of these changes, so I'm going to actually click the X button on the top left here. So this is basically how every single page is going to work. That's the panel that you're going to work with. So if we go to, let's say, Sales, and we see that we have the different horses here. So for each horse, there's you see that when you hover over, there becomes a little wheel here. If you click that wheel and click Edit, so there's one for each of those. So if I click here and click Edit, the same type of window is going to pop up. So I have the name, price, purchase price, lease price. I can have the photos, the links to the YouTube video, the text that goes in right here. And when I'm done, I click Save. So if you wanted to edit any of this, you would just do that like this. If you want to change the order of these, and I'll just show you that every single horse is the same. So if I do the same thing, click Edit for freeze frame, I get the same panel with the same information, and it knows to format it according to that. So if you want to change the order of how the horses appear, you click the Node Queue tab after you edit any of them. And on the Node Queue tab, you just click which page you're on, the sales. And now we have all of these, and you can drag and drop according to this. So this will change the order on the website. And again, because I don't want to save these changes, if I wanted to, I would click Save. But since I don't, I'm going to click the X button, and that cancels any changes that I've made. If you want to add a new horse, you click Content, Add Content, Sales, because that's a sales page, and you would add it, and you get the same window, except it's going to be blank now. So I can add the title, choose the image, add the price, add the video, start typing here, and it automatically formats everything for you. You click Save, and you're done. You don't need to worry about any of this information down here, or any of this stuff, really. You don't want to be changing the fonts and stuff, because that's automatically set and hard-coded. So I'm going to click X out of here. We have the blog here. Same idea. You can go in, click Edit, and you can see that you can just change the text. If you want to add a photo, add the photo. If you want to delete this initial blog, I would recommend just editing it since you already have it in here. Just go in, remove the title, blog post 1. Hi, this is the first blog post. When I'm done, I click Save, and it would save it. So I'm going to X out of this. Photo gallery, pretty much the same idea here. We can add more photos by adding content. So we would go to Content, Add Content, and the only thing that you need to know in the black bar here is the content area. So you can add essentially a blog, a new photo, and sales. That's what the things you're going to be adding are. The services. You go in here, I'm not sure when you're going to be changing these, but all these things auto-format no matter what it looks like in the back end. So what you do is you go in, click Edit, and you'll see that essentially it's the same as it is in the back end. So you don't want to copy and paste something in here because this is all formatted according to code. So what you're going to do is just remove like this if you wanted to change it and let's say make it whatever it is, do it like that. So just edit what's already here. You don't want to do this, delete the whole thing, and then start typing away because you're going to lose all your formatting. So. And if you ever make a mistake and like accidentally delete everything in the middle of editing, just click the X and it won't save it. You can start over again from where you were before you hit that. And then again, just when you log in, just go back to the home page, and you'll know that you're logged in by looking here. If you want to log out, you just click log out. And yeah, I mean, it's all pretty straightforward. As you go through the site, you'll see there's little edit buttons everywhere, and once you click the edit button, that new window pops up that shows you what's on the page in a different form, and you can just go ahead and edit that information. And click save, and you'd be done. So that is how to use your website, and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.